What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverly, and I am back with another video. Use the thumbnail and the title. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. So if you guys would like to come along for this journey, make sure that you sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me your feedbacks down in the comment section below. Let me know if you like videos like these. Let me know if you need some more of these type of videos, and let me know what you think about the final results. Shout out to the sponsor for today's video, ResinCrete. They're the ones who supplied me with this kit that I'm going to be using today to create something special. So the good thing about this kit and what makes it stand out from the rest is that it only takes 30 minutes for it to cure. So I'm super excited about that, and that I don't have to wait all day for my pieces to dry. So let's just get straight into it. So this kit is supposed to be easy to use, which means they provide you with all of the necessary instructions needed to create your pieces. So these are all of the items that comes in the kit. You have your coloring, your measuring cups, your wax, your mold. I can't wait to see the type of mold that they send. I'm not sure if they send the same molds in each kit, but I don't know. I'm just guessing that they don't. So this is the mixture, and all you have to do is add water. It's eco-friendly and safe to use. So just in case anyone wanted to know that. So these are all of the colors. These are the molds that came in my kit. So I have a heart shape, a flower, and I'm not too sure what this is, but I'm guessing it can be like a tray. I think it's a tray. I would love if it's a tray, because I really need a little tray for like my jewelry and stuff. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use all of these molds. And I also bought an extra mold, but I want to just try these 3 for this video. But maybe another video I'll show you guys how I use it to like make a tray. So the instruction also says that I need a scale. I think it's the only thing that I'll need that's not provided in the kit. And this is to use, and this I'm going to be using to like measure out the mixture and also some water. Alright guys, so I have my gloves on and ready to go. This is how the powder looks. And I have my scale right here. The instruction does say to use a scale, so I'm just going to go ahead and set that to 0. It's not that, the molds aren't that big, so I don't think I'm going to be doing like a really big mixture. But I'm going to start with about 60 grams of the base, and then my water. The instruction does say a 10:3 ratio for whenever you're mixing your resin, so that's what we're going to go with. So I have my base and the water all measured out, and I'm going to pour that in and start mixing. The smaller molds first, and then I'll just make some more for the larger mold. So I'm starting with this heart shape mold. I'm just going to do a little bit first, and then like tap it to get rid of some of the bubbles inside, because we don't need any bubbles. I just got a little frisky with this one. I can't wait to see how it turns out. This is so fun. This is really fun. And this one is getting hard already. I can see it because it's the first one that I did, and it's almost 30 minutes. And no, it's literally only been like less than 15 minutes, and I can see that it's getting hard already. This one still liquid, and this, oh, I can't wait to see how this one turned out. All right, you guys, so it's been a little bit over 30 minutes. I got a little busy, but we're back and they're completely dry. Look, I'm super excited about this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it first. It's supposed to be like really sturdy. I'm very clumsy, so I'm just gonna take my little time here and unmold it. Ooh, okay. You guys, look at it. It's so cute. Look at my little swirly swirl, you know? This is the second tray. Ooh, hold on. Let me take it out the mold properly. Take your time. Gent. Oh my god, this is so me. This matches my aesthetic. Like, look how sleek, and it's so smooth to the touch. It's so clean, you know what I'm saying? It didn't take that long to dry at all. And look how sleek it is. Like, I want to make about 6 more of these. For the final mold. Oh, I didn't realize that's how the edges were. This is just a plain heart-shaped mold, but look at the edges. I didn't even realize that is how it was at first, but this is cute. Like, you can like engrave it and gift it to someone this holiday season. Like, look how cute. It'll have like that personal touch, you know, whenever you make something for someone. It's more special than when you go out and buy it for them. So I really like this idea. This is so cute. I like how they all turned out. I'm super excited. It was my first ever time working with any type of like molds or resin, and ResinCrete kit was super easy to use and put together. I'm so happy to get this opportunity to work with them. The direct link to their website and their Amazon storefront will be down in the description box below. Also, you can use this code to get 5% off of your purchase. So as you guys can see, this was super easy to put together as long as you follow the instructions. ResinCrete base is composed of pure mineral extracts mixed with water, minimizing environmental impact and ensuring 0 chemical violations, which means it's eco-friendly and safe to use. And as far as the end result, is super smooth and durable. Like, I feel like it's sturdy enough and it'll hold up. Like, I love that about it. I think I could have demolded this within 30 minutes, but I was too busy doing something else, so it went up to about 45 minutes, and it's all the way dried and cured and ready to use. So you guys, make sure that you go ahead and check out ResinCrete. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me your feedback down in the comment section below. Let me know if you would like to see more of these type of videos. Let me know what you think about the end results. But that is all for today. I'll definitely catch y'all in my next one. Bye.